Hi everybody, this is your instructional launch for week 8, and this week's question is, will you have your first English project complete by November the 1st? We are already in week 8, and the first project is due on November the 1st, so how much time do we have left to get it done? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more days until Wednesday, November the 1st, when our project is due. If I were this learner, I would be a little bit worried. This is concerning because you can see that the blue line of progress is already between October and November, and already there are some red flags. These need to get done, but the project also needs to be done by November the 1st, so there should be some time spent doing this project. Let's open up Poetry Slam. Okay, here's the final product. This is what needs done by November the 1st. An analysis of poetry, an original poem, and a way to present that poem to an audience. Now again, not a live audience, but we should make a recording. The first thing to do is to do the annotated practice. Okay, we open this up. This has already been pasted in here for this learner. If you haven't reached this point yet, you need to be here by opening up the poetry selections. Okay, and there are 5 of them. You can watch the videos, but the best thing to do is to open up the transcript so you can analyze what those poets are writing about. So to analyze them, we're going to look for poetic devices. What are those? Well, if I open up this resource, you're going to see a really nice little map of what you're looking for: imagery, allusions, wordplays, etc. This is the evidence that you're looking in those poets to see if you can find examples of poetic devices. This learner has begun by copying and pasting this into their annotations, and they're using a highlighting tool over here to highlight certain areas so they can find where those poetic devices are. And you can find a lot of dialogue. Another example of dialogue had up here. And they're looking for probably repetition. There's some repetition. Thank you, thank you. The next checkpoint is the literary analysis and outline. Okay, there's no outline in here. Where can I find the outline? Well, here it is down here, this activity. The outline is a mild outline, and it's all laid out for you. So here's another thing that you can copy and paste and put into that outline. Let me copy this. Let me go back, and I should be able to paste that. Control V, or as I think of it as a caret, Control caret, and it copies that outline right there, and then you can start filling out these highlighted places and then submit for feedback. Next on the agenda is to start your own original poem. Here is a draft here. Okay, so there's nothing in here. I'm going to go over the resources and see that there is an original poem brainstorm. This will really help you know what are you turning in. So there it says 14 lines long, can be longer. A theme or a message. You're really looking for a theme. And here's some ideas for you of poems that you can write about. The next one is to analyze your own poetry after you've written it, just like you did when you did for the other authors. You're going to analyze your own poem. And then the last one is presenting a poem, writing your poem and putting in some sort of presentation tool. I really like Powtoon. It's easy, it's free if you don't buy the upgrade But there are other ways that you can present poems. What I need to have is your voice reading your poem. So learners, how to get this all done? It all begins with a plan. Go to your week planner and add those goals. You have Poetry Slam right down here. I see all the checkpoints if I open them all up. And you should be adding these in almost every day these next few weeks so that you can get that done, because there are 12 days left. So in order to complete this launch, you need to ask yourself this question. Will you be done with this English project by November the 1st? If you click on this, there are going to be some voting that yes, I will have this project done by the due date of November the 1st. No, I'm so far behind the blue line that I don't think I can get this done in 2 weeks. Or, no problem, I am already done with this project and ready to move on. Believe it or not, we do have some 8th graders that are already done. How about you? Okay, 8th grade, it's time to get working. So have a great week getting things done.